Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adam Oman, and today we're going to be diving into the crypto.com app, one of the most popular platforms for buying, selling, and earning cryptocurrency. I'll walk you through the setup process, its features, and whether it's worth your time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the crypto.com app. Just head to the Apple Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for crypto.com and hit download. Once installed, open the app and get ready to sign up. Now the next step is to create an account. Tap sign up, enter your email address, and create a secure password. You'll receive a verification email, you click the link, and you're good to move forward. Next up is identity verification, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer. Crypto.com requires this to comply with regulations. These are the steps you'll need to take. Enter your phone number and verify it with a code. Provide your full legal name and date of birth. Upload a government issue ID like a passport or driver's license, and then take a selfie to confirm it's you. Here's a side note. Approval can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, but in most cases, it's quick. So you'll treat this just like you would a bank account. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the link in my description to claim your $50 bonus after meeting the trading requirements. Once verified, it's time to secure your account and add a payment method. I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. Then you can link a bank account, credit card, debit card, or even PayPal to start buying crypto. Now let's explore the app in depth. The interface is pretty user-friendly, and here are some key features. The Home tab, this is your dashboard, showing your total portfolio value, market trends, and quick access tools. Then you have Crypto Earn, a great way to earn passive income by staking your crypto. Choose flexible or fixed term deposits and get rewards based on your holdings. Then you have the Staking tab. By staking Crow, Crypto.com native token, you unlock better rewards, cash back on your Visa card, and even reduced trading fees. The next tab is the mission and rewards. You earn daily rewards by completing simple tasks like checking in. These can be redeemed for mystery boxes containing Crow and other rewards. Next up is withdrawal limit. Your withdrawal limit varies depending on your verification level. High KYC levels allow for larger transactions. Connecting a bank account, easily link your bank for deposit and withdrawals. Go to Fiat Wallet, select your currency, and follow the instructions to add a bank account. Then you have limit orders. Instead of buying market price, set up limit orders to purchase crypto at your preferred price point, allowing more control over your trades. So is the Crypto.com app worth it? Let's break it down. User-friendly interface, great rewards with Crypto.com Visa card, passive income through Crypto Earn, wide selection of cryptocurrencies, missions and rewards for extra bonuses, advanced trading features like limit orders. But then here are the downsides. Fees can be high for credit card purchases. KYC verification may take time for some users, and customer support can be slow at times. And withdrawal limits may feel restrictive for high volume traders. Overall, Crypto.com app is a solid choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Whether you're looking to trade, invest, or earn passive income in crypto, it's worth checking out. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell
for more crypto content.